Jai Hind. This is Vedanand Singh and you are most welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are fit and fine. Today in this video, we are going to do the practice exercise question of 345 of the book Saraswati publication. If you have the book, you can open the page number uh, for 345 and 46. See, we'll do the question answer based on the topic saving, closing, opening, workbooks, selecting cells, column, rows, and using cut, copy, paste. So all the question would be in this exercise. All the question would be on the basis of the above topic. So first question is write the basic step to save an Excel workbook. See, step is click on file, then save options are there in that menu. Up in the sort you can do the ctrl plus s. So the next question is write three methods where you can open a Excel workbook. See, three options we have to write. Click on a file tab and select a recent. Second is file, then open, and third is ctrl plus o. These are the three steps where you can open the Excel. Next is define extended mode selection and what is its benefits. See, it is a useful keyboard attractive to drag our mouse to the selected cell in a spreadsheet. See, this is a extended mode selection is there, and its main benefit is that you can highlight to the particular cells. Now the next is write the available method to select cells, means rows and column. It is cell, as you know, this is the intersection of rows and column. So available methods are to select range of cells using mouse, or to select a range of cells using keyboard, means you can select the cell with the use of mouse also and keyboard also. Now the question number 5th, what is the difference between moving and copying cells? See, in moving cells, it moves the original cell from one place to another destination, and it deletes the original cell. And in copy, it makes a duplicate of the selected cell to another destination. It creates a duplicate copy of the particular cell. Now the question number 6 is what is the difference between cut paste and copy paste? See, in cut paste, we'll remove the original content from the documents and place it in a new location, while copy paste insert the content to the new location without removing the original content. See, the question number 7 it is how will you delete a range of cell? See, there are steps are there. First steps is right click on the range of cell. After that click on delete button. After that click delete cell range. These are the three steps to delete a range of cell in a spreadsheet. So with this in, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.